How to customize the user interface in CATIA V5. I decided to make this video to talk about the user interface in CATIA V5. How you can find various icons that are missing. So for example, if I will go to Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design, I will define a new part. And this is the layout that I currently have. So there are various icons on the top. I can drag and drop those elements into the main 3D area. So they will be over here, or I can dock them by putting them back. So currently now they are on 2 rows at the top, but if I will move the standard sketch base features, I will see that the interface will automatically return to only one row. So I will add those back. So now if you are using a shared PC and you have various icons that are missing, you can reset them by going up to Tools, then Customize. This Customize should load, and then go to Toolbars, and here we have, for the standard toolbar, I want to restore the position. So over here, restore position. After that I will click OK, and now all the elements are positioned on the right side of the screen, and I have the possibility to drag them and rearrange them as I want. So currently now they are vertical. If I want to make them horizontal, I will grab them using the mouse cursor, and I can position them over here. So I can define that. If I want them to be vertical again, I will need to drag them again onto the right side, where I can make them vertical. So for example, this section with transformation, with mirror, symmetry, if I wanted to put it over here, and then I will have them again in the vertical orientation. I can enable or disable any element over here. So for example, this is a transformation toolbar. I can right click over here on the gray area, and I have the possibility to activate or deactivate the transformation feature, like that. So another common element is regarding the lock position. So if I want them to be locked into a specific position, I will go to Tools, Customize, and over here where I have the options, I can lock the toolbar position. So let's see, I've clicked that locked, and now I can no longer drag, but only the toolbars that are docked on either on the right side or at the top side. The other elements that are not docked, I can rearrange them, but I cannot dock them again. So if I want to dock them, I will go to Tools, Options, Tools, Customize, and over here I will unlock the lock toolbar position, and now I can rearrange them as I want. So usually I keep the graphic properties over here, the first one on the top, and after that I can rearrange the elements as so. Okay, so this was the part regarding the locking of the toolbar. Another element can be over here. So we have icon size ratio, currently set to 1. I can increase that, but CATIA will need to restart. So let's go to a ratio of 2. After that I will restart CATIA. So let's restart CATIA. I will start a new client. It should start now. As you can see, the icons are larger. So even if I have a resolution of equivalent to Full HD, the icons will be larger like this. So they will be a lot more pixelated. So you can change that going to Tools, Customize, and after that Option tab, Icon Size Ratio. It's recommended to keep it at 1. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. If it helped you, please leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know that these kind of videos are helping you guys. Okay, so thanks a lot. See you in the next video.